If you're looking for how to check a battery using a multimeter for measuring that's still good or damaged, you can check this video. Let me show you how do I check to make sure this battery is still good or not. Okay, let's go check this out. Alright, I will make it a sample using a 9-volt battery for alkaline brain. Second step, you can prepare an analog multimeter. And if you're using a digital multimeter, it's okay. It's the same way, not different at all. Alright, the first step, you need to change direction of selector to 10 volt. Because I will measure this 9-volt battery, so I put my multimeter to 10 volt DC, right? Like this. Okay, the third step, you can put this probe, right? This is for positive pin and this is for negative pin. So where can I find this pin, negative or positive? If you're confused about that, you can check from the body of the battery. This is always there's always a sign on the battery, it's positive and this for negative. So you can put your probe to like this, positive to positive and negative to negative, like this, and see on screen multimeter, right? You can see I'm sorry, you can see this multimeter read 9 volt DC. It means this battery is still good and not damaged. And I will make some example for you using a digital multimeter too. I get a digital multimeter too, so that you're not confused about this video, right? Because this is 9 volt DC, you can put your multimeter to 20 volt DC like this, right? Like this. And then like before, you put your probe negative to negative and positive to negative, positive to positive, like this, right? Positive to positive and negative to negative, right? Right, my multimeter read 10 volt and it's stable. And what it's mean? Yeah, it's mean this battery is still good and can use more. Yeah, this is can use because this battery have stable voltage, not low and not drop voltage. Okay, that's how I do how to check a battery still good or damaged using a multimeter, using a digital multimeter or analog multimeter. It's the same way, not different. Hope it's useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and please push the like button. Thank you so much for watching. That's mean a lot to me. See you next video and bye bye.